po sa aking mga subscribers. So, second day po ngayon ng ICTSI Villamor Philippine Master. Shout out sa Philippine Caddies.
Yeah!
Mga Tori.
Kali kami lahat. Oo, kasi dito kami sa lugar niyo eh. Hi, good morning. Welcome to Villamor Air Base ICTSI second day tournament.
Ayan. Salvador, Villasencio, Mondilla. Siyempre, pa-picture din kami sa sikat. J. Byron. Raula Raymond. Next on the flight of Go, LJ Go, Tony Lasconia, and Minwok Won. Flight number 3, Clyde Mondilla, Robert Zaragoza, and Uwe Kuji. Nice shot, Mondilla using iron. Next is the flight of Mr. Angelo Cue, Michael Eric Bibat, and Francis Morilla. Shot of Mr. Angelo Cue. Nice shot. Morilla. This is the flight of Jans Kiano Ayonso Ferdi and Salvador Jr. Edmar. Nice shot. Kiano Jans. Dov Ramos, Sean Jane, Gino Alvin, and Villasen Show Arnold. Shot. Sir Mark Pineda, shout out naman dyan. Kadi, shout out from Japan, Mr. Weda. Thank you. Flight of Fidel Concepcion, Arbole Art Martial, and Daiki Weda. Wow, straight center. Nice shot. Fairway straight. Mr. Daiki Weda. Next is the flight of Minyosa Francisco Gallardo Enrico and Suzuki Daya. Wow, going left. Oh, it's safe. Like, subscribe, and comments. Thank you. Flight of Salvador Elmer, Arevalo Christopher, and Garalde Randy. Roberto Bobes. Fade. Oh, fairway. Parang si Seth. Meron siya si Ibet. Oh. Morning. 12 par 3. Dumaan sa flag. Wow, nice shot. Hello po, siya po yung naka-hole in one. Yun Horo. At hole number 4. Next is the flight of Dumandan Marvin, Monsalve Ryan, and Rui Yunho. Siya po yung naka-hole in one sa hole number 4. Nice shot. Lakas siya pumalo. Nice in. Even par.
On hole number 7, Visera, Ramil Ichabis, Paul, and Kota Fukuyama.
Next is the flight of Ababa Jonel, Bautista Russell, and Wheeler Colin.
He was the champion of the ICTSA Villamor last
Nice shot. It's
2023.
middle of the fairway. Also on the fairway. Nice shot.
Putting birdie of Lumbo.
Wow, nice par. Lumbong is par, hole number 7.
Panimdim Emilio Jr. and his caddy Dennis. Oy for putting birdie.
Wala. Our BABGC advisor. Nice birdie.
May pamangkin with his student.
Shout out. Magaling nga si Tisoy magturo.
Last flight of the hole number 10 sa Lahog Nilo.
Buslilo.
Chan Adric and Nakajima Toru.
Nice shot. Nice shot. Middle of the fairway. So that's the last flight for the men's. Kadi na, may gallery pa. Gagalari kami kay
Nilo sa Lao.
Special po namin. Holiday ngayon, day off. Assistant na lang siya ng cashier. Tagahugas. Para may pangkain mamaya.
George Josh and the bunker.
Players of the Villamor Golf Course. Alan Rimata on the bunker. Ooh, nice. 2 on.
Jovan Alcazar for putting birdie.
Birdie. Uy, short.
Josh for putting par.
Bogey.
Alan Rimata for putting par.
Oh. Bogey. Alan Rimata in this hole, bogey. Flight of Nueva Nelson sa Mampong Brent and Magkalayo.
Erba for putting par. Sumampong for putting par also. In par daw, 7 holes, sabi ng caddy. Magkalayo is for putting par.
Last flight po sa back 9. Mama, subscribe mo ako.
Subscribe sa'yo? Subscribe ako last year?
Hoy, Golf Caddy. Ma'am Yvette, nag-iisa ka dyan, dalawa sila rito.
On the tee, Alcantara Rev.
Yung cellphone ko.
Garland Julian. It's So, tatawid na po ako sa kabila, hole number 12. Nandito na po yung galing ng front 9. Nakatawid na sila.
What's the score? Ayos? Shout out professional in Japan golf player.
Mr. Kota Fukayama.
From Japan. How do you like Villamore, sir? Villamore. What can you say, Villamore?
Bigyan mo, very so difficult, very exciting.
Hard.
This
That's why championship course, right?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hard because of the
Executive Caddies of Villamore. Mr. Kota from Japan.
Kim. Landicho.
Daw siya, hole in one yata. Ay, kaliwa. Idol ko. Amateur.
Miss Go Juliana and Fleetwood. Lumbo Jeffrey.
Nice shot.
Stin.
Kaliwa mo.
Uy, Jan Michael.
Maakit yung bola. Yun.
Good shot of Go Julian.
Hole in one. Offline lang siya. Okay lang. For birdie yan. Nice on. Yun. Sige, kaliwa. Dikit mo pa. Nice on. For putting birdie. It's a beautiful scenery here. Hole number 12. Home of the Philippine Master.
Wala po ni Kota ay nasa bahay ng mga langgam. Siya nung tinawag sa rulesman, pinayagan siya mag-drop. Sa maraming langgam yung bola ni Mr. Kota. Need po nila itawag sa rulesman. Pinayagan po siyang mag-drop. Ramel Bisera for playing 2.
Birdie. Oh.
Chavez for playing 2.
Nice par. Par of Mr. Kota. Par also. Okay, Bisera. Par. Carizales. Carizales po ang may-ari ng Pinahay. Eddie Frio. Pating Birdie, Carizales. Go. Go, 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 go! Sorry. Siyempre, idol. Totally lang over.
Interview sila.
Huwag, baka masira yung pulso. Di man na... Rosales for birdie din.
Boom. Wala.
Miss Pat. Bogey.
Shout out.
Team Gary. Gary Salis, 1 over. Nice in. Nice par. Tulan. Sean Ramos. Interchat ni Jovan. Remata for playing 2. Van for patting bogey. For patting double of Jovan Alcazar. Nice par. Yes sir, andito yung gohit sir eh. Magkalayaw, Werba, and Sumangpong. Par. For patting bogey. Nice in. Magkalayo for par. Ooh. Now for bogey. Werba Nelson for par. Nice par. Dan Cruz. Obi po, si Sir Bagtas po. Dan Cruz for playing 2. Bagtas. Uy for second shot. Double. Gamolo for patting birdie.
Baka yung bola lang.
Wow. Good preparation. Bogey of Oy William. Kakero for birdie. It's right. Birdie! Sayang. Rico Di Pilo for par. Nice par. Balasabas for par. Manotok for par. Nice par. Patting par of Kayla Nokon. Nice par. Pamela for double. Flight of Sarah Jean Ababa. Ikeda Chichiro. Fodolin Apple Jean.
Woodland for potting pot.
Wow, wala. Bogey. Podolin bogey. Nice par. In Villasencio, par. Nice birdie. Pauline is birdie. Ay, nice. Fortuna par. Birdie mo. Oy, nice birdie. Nice, Ma'am Harvey.